Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make an anti-static hair serum. Now let me show you just how easy it is. So this is the anti-static hair serum that we are making today. Just popping it in a pump bottle for easy dispersion. Now I'll just show you the texture. It's a serum, but it's a little bit creamy. It's still really lightweight like a serum, but got that creamy texture to it. Okay, now you can put this in wet or dry hair. I'm going to put it on my dry curls. Now you can see naturally, I have this staticky, fuzzy top layer. So to get rid of that, we'll just use a little bit of the serum and just run it over, particularly that top layer that gets fuzzy, but also scrunching in to the curls at the ends, just to define those a little bit more. And just a little bit more on the other side. So you can see that it makes the curls look a little bit more defined, a lot less staticky, a lot less frizzy, and a little bit more like you put some effort in. We will begin with the water phase. I'm going to create a slurry with a non-tacky humectant and some Silagel SF, which is an eco-conscious gelling agent made from 100% natural origin material. Silagel SF is also vegan and halal friendly, and it will give our hair serum a beautiful silky feel, similar to silicone. I'll add the gel slurry to the water and then pop it on the mixer to combine. In the meantime, I will heat my lipid phase. I'm using a low input of a non-ionic waxy emulsifier blend to give the hair serum a creamy consistency, and just a small input of argan oil, which is known for its fast absorbing and anti-static effects on the hair. Once the gel has formed, I can turn that off, and I can also heat my water phase to match my lipid phase. Now that both phases have reached 75 degrees, I'll combine them together under high shear. Now that the emulsion has formed, I'm going to turn it down to low shear, and I'm going to continue mixing while my emulsion cools to below 40 degrees before I add in the heat sensitive material. Now that the emulsion is below 40 degrees, I can add in the heat sensitive material. I'm using Mirastyle MFP because it provides excellent anti-frizz properties and has been proven to reduce static flyaway. I'm also using a broad spectrum preservative and an antioxidant to protect my formula. I'm going to leave that on the mixer under low shear while it cools to below 25 degrees before I check and adjust the pH. Now that my emulsion is below 25 degrees, I can check and adjust the pH. Now I'm just going to cover that over and leave it to reach its full viscosity over 24 hours. See? And that's how easy it is to make an anti-static hair serum. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!